Yes, sir. Easy, baby. AKA Evil Jones. You already know what it is, man. We in the rainforest in Costa Rica. Barefoot. No water shoots here. You already know what it is. We out here wilding, get money. About to go down a waterfall, slide. Want y'all to catch this shit. You see where we at. Get money. Beautiful shit. Get money in the building. See my boys is down there. All my dogs. Chillin', you already know, easy, baby. We in this bitch. 28 birthday bash extravaganza. You already know what to do. We got this crazy drop right there. I'm about to get it in, bitch. I'm about to get it in. This shit is scary as fuck. Oh my. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Let me push y'all. I don't know what's going on here. That's a straight drop, folks. Here we go. Get money! Oh! Get money! Yee! You know how we do, baby. 28 birthday bash extravaganza. You know how we do. We out in Costa Rica. My dog Vlad. What up, baby? My squad. We chillin'. We in Costa Rica. Get money, bitch.